Well, hello guys. We
hi.
are we are Echo Travel Adventures. We just wanted to say hi. We are a travel channel located here in Central Florida.
Welcome to our channel.
Yes.
Woo!
Thank
We're
you.
excited to have you here.
We are. We are so excited. My name is Brian.
I'm Amber.
Yeah, and our channel is named after our cat Echo. So I know it sounds weird, right? Why would you name your channel after a cat? But the reason is she's been with us for 16 years, and she's really been like our support and our service animal forever.
She's been traveling with us everywhere we go. So why not?
Right.
Not only that, if you hear rain, that is from 2016. I did have an ectopic pregnancy.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, we did lose him. So we call him our angel baby. So if we say rain a lot, now you know.
Yes, for sure. We are active on Instagram, TikTok. We kind of have a Facebook, but we don't really go to that much.
We mostly use Instagram and TikTok. So
Yep.
you can find us on there. You can email us. You can comment on here.
Yes.
Any ideas, any stories, any haunted places, any travel places. Please let us know. We
Yeah.
love hearing from you guys.
Yep. And I think here pretty soon we're going to start a couple other platforms, but we will keep you guys informed on that. But we just wanted to stop by because we haven't done one of these in forever.
In forever.
And we are just so excited that you guys stopped by. We really hope that you guys enjoy our videos. At the time of this recording, we have 320 videos, multiple playlists.
Over
Stop by.
600 subscribers. Thank you so
much.
Welcome to the FamBam!
Welcome. And if you are new here and you want to stick around with us, hit that bell or hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification.
Share with your family and friends. They might like us too.
Exactly. And
Why
go to Instagram.
wouldn't they?
Yes.
Go to Instagram. Go to TikTok.
Yeah. And it's our names everywhere. So, and down below you'll see everything too. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by. And we'll see you guys next time. And welcome to the FamBam.
Yay!
Bye.